in, and now of course the matter lies in the hands of the police as well to an extent. Jamia too wanted to screen the docu-series yesterday. The police were able to contain the situation because we saw the SFI workers resort to sloganeering as well. But a lot of allegations are coming in on part of the JNU-SU against ABVP, that the ABVP workers in fact took law into their own hands while the students there were peacefully watching the BBC docu-series on their phones and laptops.
Yes, first of all, I want to clarify here to Mr. That Kashmir Files is approved by the Censor Board of India. Secondly, the BBC docu-series is banned by the government. So you are allowing BBC documentary screening to be done in the campus, whereas you are not allowing Kashmir Files to be done. The university administration must be held responsible. Secondly, in JNU, since exams are going on, and people did not participate in their screening, and since light was off, they could do only on their laptop and mobile screens. I want to show you this picture. This picture, only two people are from JNU. This is Azhar Jameen and this is Sagnik Sarkar in cap. Other all were from Jamia. They stayed 2 days ago. They came 2 days ago in JNU. They stayed for the documentary screening. See, I will show you the visuals of Nitish Narayanan, SFI leader, going into bushes and carrying stones and sticks. They guys pelted stones on the normal students. When the security went to stop them, they started, because their documentary screening had
we've
flopped.
been hearing the same from several ABVP workers, that there were external forces as well who took part in fact making sure that there was a lot of chaos that was allowed on the JNU campus day before yesterday. I'll come back to you, Rohit. Let me go across to Vinay Kumar Yadav as well, because you know what we are seeing at this point in time is how several left-wing student groups along with Congress and several others who are now trying to make sure that BBC series definitely gets screened on their campus. Are we then also sidelining the fact that this could come with a repercussion in fact, Vinay? That there could be a law and order problem given the difference in ideologies and the difference in what people think this BBC docu-series is trying to project?
यस मैम, पहली बात तो ये देखिए कि जब कोई भी JNU कोई संगठन नहीं है, JNU इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स हैं, 4 मेंबर्स हैं, वो सभी छात्रों के प्रतिनिधि करते हैं। अगर उन्होंने कॉल दिया था BBC डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाने के लिए, तो वहाँ पर सभी संगठन, सभी छात्र यूनिवर्सिटी के गए वहाँ देखने के लिए। अब कोई एक संगठन नहीं, कोई एक सिंगल पर्सन नहीं, वहाँ सभी स्टूडेंट गए। जब जाते हैं देखने के लिए तो वहाँ भी ABVP के लोग क्यों आते हैं? अगर उनको इस डॉक्यूमेंट्री स्क्रीनिंग देखना था तो वहाँ आकर देखना चाहिए। वहाँ जाकर पत्थरबाजी करके लड़ाई करने की क्या जरूरत है?
की आप बात कर रहे हैं, पर क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं और आप कैसे जस्टिफाई करेंगे जो कल एक टीवी रिपोर्टर के साथ हुआ JNU कैंपस में, जब वो रिपोर्ट कर रहे थे कि क्या हादसा हो रहा था, कैसे वायलेंस दिखा जा रहा था, तो वही स्टूडेंट्स ने उन पे हमला किया, उनको गाली दी। ये कैसे एक्सेप्टेबल है विनय?
वहाँ डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखने